Introduction to signal processing. So, signal processing, before discussing signal processing, we will be discussing what is signal. My presentation outline are first signal processing, then signal processing is of two types, analog signal processing and digital signal processing, followed by advantages of DSP or ASP, after that application of DSP, and then conclusion. Now what is signal? Signal is a function that conveys information. Signal is, we can say signal is any physical quantity which carry our information from one point to another point. Fine. Let's say this is also some signal, mathematical representation of some signal. Xt is 230 sine 100 pi t. This is any analog signal. Fine. In this or we can say this is one dimensional signal. Why? Because it contains, this is, in this जो t है, t is called independent variable and xt is dependent variable. Fine. A signal, so signal may be defined as dependent variable which depend on some independent variable. Independent variable may be time, may be space, or many more. Fine. Along x-axis there will be independent variable, along y-axis there will be dependent variable. And if in any equation there is, in any signal, if there is one independent variable, it is called one dimensional signal. And if so, signal may be one dimensional signal, it may be two dimensional signal, it may be multi-dimensional signal depending upon number of independent variable, just like temperature, space, pressure, etc. If the independent variable is one, it is called one dimensional signal. For example, ECG signal, AC power supply, etc. If any signal is having two dimensional signal is called two dimensional signal if it is having two independent parameter. For example, picture, images, etc. And if it is, any signal is having more than two independent variable, it is called multidimensional signal. Example of signal include variation of temperature or time space, variation of sound or time images, etc. Now what does this mean? Signal processing. Signal means it may be, signal means any dependent variable which depend on some independent variable. Now signal processing. Why we need signal processing? We need signal processing in order to extract information from the signal. As signal contain information, signal is any physical quantity which contains some information, and signal processing is done to extract information from signal. Signal processing focuses on analyzing, modifying, synthesizing signals such as sound, images, and scientific measurements. So we can say signal processing का क्या use है? It is used for analysis of signal, for interpretation, for manipulation of signal. Fine. It may be biological data, this signal processing may be done on biological data, may be done on some radio signal, etc. Or first of all, why we do signal processing? When a signal is transmitted from one point to another point, there is every possibility of contamination of signal by some external noise. So to retrieve information at the receiver end, suitable filters are to be used. Suitable filter are to be used in order to retrieve original information. That is called signal processing. That means signal is to be processed to obtain pure signal at the receiver side. This is called signal processing. And there are two types of signal processing. One is ASP, analog signal processing. Another one is DSP, that is called digital signal processing. Analog signal processing is a type of signal processing that is conducted on analog signal, continuous analog signal. Fine. Analog signal processing is used for signal that have not been digitized. For example, telephone signal is also analog signal, radar, radio detection and imaging, television signal, etc. Common analog signal processing element are used in any analog ASP processor. Commonly used element are capacitor, resistor, inductor, etc. Transistor, op-amp, etc. And tool, these are various applications of analog signal processing. I think you might have seen in your signal and system subject also convolution. This is also a implementation of analog signal processing, Fourier transform, Laplace transform. And if we look at the real-time example of analog signal processing, it includes, that is, crossover filter that is used in loudspeaker. Now, what is digital signal processing? Digital signal processing, element of digital signal process. There are three elements of digital signal processing. As its name suggests, if signal processing is to be done on digital signal, then it is called DSP. There are three elements that is used for DSP. One is A to D converter, another is digital signal processor, followed by D to A converter. So what happen in digital signal processing? Look, why we need DSP? The reason is, in real world, analog, they are 90% they are analog signal. It may be TV signal, radar signals, speech signal or anything else. Fine. So first we use converter, A to D converter, that is used to digitize the signal. Fine. And then what happen? A to D converter take real world signal and then turn it into digital format of ones and zero. It is followed by DSP processor, digital signal processor. It take over or it capture the digitized information obtained from this A to D converter and process it. Make the information useful to the receiver and at the receiving point, what happen? At last, it is then it feed the digitized and processed information to D2A converter, back to D2A converter for use in real world. So it does it through D2A converter. Fine. So DSP generally perform the operations like DSP, digital signal processor, perform some mathematical operation for manipulation of signal. Operation may be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Now, why DSP is better over ASP? Always DSP is preferred over ASP. As we all know, why signal processing is needed? Signal need to be processed so that information they contain can be displaced, can be analyzed, can be converted into another type of signal that may be of use. And there are two types, ASP and DSP. Fine. Now, always DSP is preferred over ASP. The reason being, first, aging. As we have already discussed, analog circuit use capacitor. Analog circuit are implemented by using capacitor, resistor, etc. Fine. They are having aging effect. But digital circuit are independent of temperature. Their value doesn't change with variation in temperature. No aging effect is there, or no other external. They are not affected by any external parameter. Another advantage of DSP is sensitivity. Sensitivity to environment. Digital circuit are less sensitive. To tolerance of component values. Now, easy to storage. Digital signal are easily stored on magnetic media such as magnetic tape without the loss of quality of signal. After that, another advantage is flexible. Digital signal processing operations can be changed by changing the program because they are implemented through software. They can be changed by changing the program, unlike the case of ASP where entire system setup has to be changed. Another advantage is accuracy. Another advantage of DSP over ASP is accuracy. There is better control of accuracy in digital system as compared to analog system. As we know, Digital signals are more robust to noise as compared to analog signal. Another is easily transported. Digital signal can be processed offline. These can be easily transported. If we look at applications where this DSP is used, where signal processing is used, it is used in various domains. Audio signal processing. In audio signal processing for this electrical signal representation, sound, etc. Fine. It is also signal processing. Another domain of application is speech signal processing. Signal processing is used in image processing, in digital camera, computer, various imaging, etc. Video processing, it is also used in wireless field control system, array processing, feature extraction of images, quality improvement such as noise reduction, image enhancement, etc. All these are application of signal processing. If we look at in real world application, DSP is used everywhere. It is used in audio. How it is used? In DSP, signal processing is used in CD, DVD, MP3 player, etc. It is signal processing is also used in biomedical monitoring equipment, various biomedical to manipulate the information for analysis of signal, etc. Signal processing is also used in telecommunication field. We can take the example of cellular phone or voice or internet. All these are the application of telecommunication where DSP is used. DSP is also used in audiological equipment. It is used in audiological equipment, for example, hearing aids. Signal processing is also used in hearing aids, audiometer, and many more applications are there. Thank you.